Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update for X, formerly known as Twitter, and I'll guide you through the steps to send direct messages on your PC. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all its features. Once you're in, locate the messages icon on the left sidebar and give it a click. This will take you to your messages, where you can see your chats. Next, look for the button that says New Message. Clicking on this will open a new chat window. Now, it's time to find the user you want to connect with. Use the search bar to type in their username or name, and when their profile pops up, simply click on their name to select them. After that, hit the Next button. You'll be taken to the message area where you can compose your message. Type in what you want to say in the reply area provided. Take your time to craft the perfect message. Finally, when you're ready, look for the Send button. Click on it, and your message will be on its way. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a direct message on X using your PC. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.